Hello children, welcome back to my channel Science Edu-point. So our today's topic is male reproductive system, but today we are going to discuss about internal organs or internal parts of the male reproductive system. So let us see what are the internal parts. The first part is vas deferens. So what is vas deferens? Vas deferens is a long muscular tube that travels from the epididymis. So this is the epididymis. So from here the vas deferens is a long and coiled tube which is coming out of the epididymis. So this vas deferens is a long muscular tube that travels from the epididymis into the pelvic cavity. This travels to the pelvic cavity just behind the urinary bladder. So just behind the urinary bladder, you can see here. What is the function of this vas deferens? So the function of this vas deferens is to transport mature sperm to the urethra in the preparation for ejaculation. The function of the vas deferens is to transport mature sperm to the urethra in the preparation for ejaculation. Our next part is ejaculatory duct. So how these ejaculatory ducts are formed? So these ejaculatory ducts are formed by the fusion of vas deferens and the seminal vesicles. What is the function of the ejaculatory duct? So ejaculatory ducts will empty the semen into the urethra. Ejaculatory ducts will empty the semen along with the sperms into the urethra. So before that, what is sperm and what is semen? Sperms which are produced in the testes are present in the protective fluid called semen. Sperms are the male reproductive cells. So the ejaculatory duct will help to discharge sperm within the female reproductive tract. Next, come to the urethra. What is urethra? So here is the urethra. So this urethra is the tube that carries urine from the bladder to outside of the body. Next part is seminal vesicle. So what are seminal vesicles? Seminal vesicles are sac-like pouches that attach to the vas deferens. Here you can see these are attached to the vas deferens near the base of the urinary bladder. Here is a pair of vesicles called as seminal vesicles which are attached to the vas deferens. Next, come to prostate glands. Prostate glands, the gland is a walnut-sized structure that is located below the urinary bladder, in front of the rectum. This prostate gland is a walnut-sized structure that is located below the urinary bladder and in front of the rectum. What is the function of prostate gland? The prostate gland contributes additional fluid to the ejaculate and it nourishes the sperm. So the function of prostate gland is it is contributing additional fluid to the ejaculate, and it is also nourishing the sperm. Next come to the Cowper's gland. So these Cowper's glands are also called as bulbourethral glands. You can see here Cowper's glands are also called as bulbourethral glands, which are pea-sized structure located on the sides of the urethra, on both the sides of urethra, just below the prostate gland. So these are located just below the prostate glands. Now let's end our topic with the functions of the male reproductive system. So the function is to produce and maintain and transport sperms. Produce, maintain and to transport the sperms. It transports the sperms which are produced in the testis and transport protective fluid called semen. Sperms are the male reproductive cells. Next function is to discharge sperm within the female reproductive tract. And the next function is to produce and secrete male sex hormone responsible for maintaining the male reproductive system. So children, this was my topic. So I hope that you have understood better